You think you know Spain? Let's find out if you can get 100% on this quiz. What is the capital city of Spain? Madrid. What is flamenco? A traditional dance. What is the currency used in Spain? The euro. Before that, it was the pesetas. What are the two main football clubs in Madrid? Real Madrid and Atletico de Madrid. What do Spaniards traditionally eat at the stroke of midnight on December 31st? 12 grapes. What is the national animal of Spain? The bull. In which Spanish region is the city of Barcelona located? Catalonia. In which city is the Sagrada Familia located?